Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, January 18, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, January 18, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong January 18, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, January 18, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for January 18, 2025, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, January 18, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.